Hi, we've changed.
Alright.
Hi guys!
That was not together, but anyways, it's Abby,
And Marcy.
and today we are gonna be
A
doing
video where we use this app called Monkey. I'm sure you all have heard of it. And if you haven't, basically it's just like a video chat kind of thing where you talk to random strangers. So yay, danger! Stranger danger.
Henry Danger.
I actually like that show.
Yeah, I do too. Anyways, you guys haven't seen us in like 3 or 4 months, and we're really sorry. Like, it got really depressing.
Well, Abby went on vacation, so
I've literally been
Words.
I haven't been gone like all July, so I haven't had like any time to film.
And me, I can't record on my phone because I have no storage.
Yeah, she doesn't have any.
Don't you love my case? It's so girly.
So, today we're going to be using an app called Monkey where we talk to random people. So, yeah.
And
hope you
hopefully
enjoy.
it's funny because
It's kind of like a knockoff prank calling video.
Yeah.
Even though we're not prank calling, we're actually like, it's hard to explain. Anyways, let's start.
yeah. The phone right next to.
Oh, and the reason why we're dressed so nicely is because we just, had
took
like,
new photos.
yeah, we took new photos for our social medias. It's really sour.
Abby, get in the thing. Oh.
What up?
Hi.
Where y'all from?
New York.
How old y'all is?
69.
Hi.
Hey,
What's up?
nothing. What's up with you?
We're recording a YouTube video.
Y'all on YouTube. What y'all name is? So I can, at time. What's y'all name so I can...
You have to hit.
I did add time.
No, you didn't. You hit cancel.
I didn't.
Yeah, you did. Like you have to hit time, and then you hit time again.
What do you say, people?
Hey.
It's popping.
Oh.
Idiot.
Come, Bella.
What are you eating?
Hey, what's up?
Hi.
So,
Okay, bye. Ooh.
we're gonna be doing back to school shopping sometime this month. So be excited for a back to school haul video. Blah, 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 blah.
La, 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 la.
Genius.
Hi.
Oh, shit. Hey, at time.
Hi.
What's your name?
I'm Marcy, and this is Abby.
So, like, where you from?
New York.
Oh. Hey, who do you think is cuter, me or this dude right here? Who's cuter? Y'all both ugly as shit.
Thank you.
Ready
What?
to mingle.
It's
Hi.
going here. Hi.
What's
Hi.
up?
It's doing.
We're making a YouTube video. Hi.
Where you from?
New York.
At time.
Okay, we're adding time.
Add me on Snap.
We're so washed out.
It's okay. We're fine.
It's so bad. Anyway,
P-A to the T.
What city you guys from?
Rochester, near Rochester.
Yeah.
Oh, dang, we're close.
Where are you from?
Syracuse.
Oh.
Oh, that's cool.
That's actually really cool.
Yeah, that is close.
Yeah.
What?
I live in Auburn, but it's near Syracuse, so.
I've heard of Auburn.
Yeah, me too. That's cool.
Yeah. Add me on Snap, though.
I did.
Yeah, we did.
I'm on my friend's phone. It's Ty Cook 19.
This was a fail. Goodbye.